Today I would like to show you our working strategy. Simple to use, simple to follow, simple to implement. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so and do like my video. Alright, let me show you how to use this strategy. I just placed a trade a few minutes ago for US Tech and is in profit right now. Let me just show you the profit. This is just $62.70 the profit for now, and it's still running. So let me show you how to use this particular strategy. I have this indicator that I change the color from Dodger blue to red. Once it is blue, it's buy, and the red is for sell. And I have another indicator that I combine together, which is PTL indicator. I'm going to show you the setting after this video. And I have another indicator. This is Ignacy indicator. I'll show you the setting also. How do I use this particular strategy? It is simple, and I do not want to keep this video very long. I just want to show you this winning indicator, and this is how you use this strategy. Now we have a sell arrow here that gives us this arrow for sell. We have this arrow, red arrow for sell, the blue is for buy, but we are not going to take that particular trade. We will wait for TD for the other indicator to change to red at this particular point. And here we have the PTL indicator already. It changed to red for a buy here, or let me change it to yellow so that you'll be able to see it well. Let me change the color of this red to yellow for sell. Okay, so we have the PTL indicator here, the PTL indicator rather here at this particular point, and we have the down arrow, but at this point we cannot enter any trade. We will wait for this indicator to confirm the trend. So we know that we have a downtrend already confirmed by PTL and the Ignacy indicator, and what you will do, you will wait for the third indicator to be in agreement. So the simple rule is for you to wait and allow the three indicators to be in agreement before you place any trade. And here at this particular point we have every indicator in agreement, so your stop loss is going to be above the previous high before this signal was generated, and your take profit is going to be 1 to 1 or 1 to 1.5 ratio for your take profit. And this is how to use it. So for continuation, and for this continuation, the last trade I just entered right now, we have before there we have this particular signal here also that gave us a buy, a sell rather, and the yellow PTL indicator is behind it. Let me show you again. We have PTL indicator here also just behind this arrow, gave us a sell signal, but the third indicator confirmed it at this particular point. So this is where we are going at the close of this candle. This is where we will place our trade as stop loss few pips above the previous high here. Then you ride the trend, or you use the take profit as I've described earlier. And here we have a buy arrow here for a buy at this particular point, which we are not going to take until we have this PTL in agreement. So at the close of this candle, we can place our trade and ride the trend. So we have small stop loss here. So this is how this particular strategy will have for continuation. For instance, here is the first signal that was generated, confirmation at this point, then a continuation here, because this line remains red and so we are going to remain in sell trade. So we are going to look for more signal to continue in the direction of the trend. And so we have this buy, this is invalid. Then we have this arrow and PTL indicator confirming the continuation of this particular trend. So if you place trade here again, we are going to be in profit because we have all the indicators in agreement. And here we have a buy arrow here, but it was late, though we are going to lose this trade. We have a confirmation here where we have the two indicator here already, then the third one at this point. So we're going to lose this particular trade, but at the end we have another trend, another signal that was generated for a sell. We have this particular one arrow followed by TD by PTL indicator rather, then the other indicator confirm it at this particular point. So at this point we have a sell trade. So at this point we are going to place our trade for sell, and we are going to ride the trend or 1-to-1 or 1 to 1.5 ratio as our take profit. And here I entered this just like less than 1 hour ago at the close of this candle, though PTL indicator was not in agreement. I did not see it, we do not have it yet, but because I have this red indicator that changed from blue to red, and at this point I have the arrow, then I enter my sell and I'm going to watch it closely. Today is Friday and I'm going to watch it closely. So this is how to use this particular strategy. It is simple, so I decided to show you how to use it, and so you can use it on any time frame you want, either 4 hours or 1 hour. You can use it. Here is it on 4 hours. It's still the same strategy, the same rule, so you can use it on any time frame, either for scalping and for 15 minutes. Here is it on 15 minutes, but I entered that particular trade on the 1 hour, and here is it on 5 minutes. Also you can do the same thing. Here is it on 5 minutes for scalping. So here is it on 5 minutes also for scalping. So you only trade in the direction of this particular indicator, but it must confirm. You must confirm with the other indicator. Here is it on 5 minutes. Good ride. Another. This is the first signal, then continuation, and you are going to win a lot of trade using this, either on lower time frame or higher time frame. Just make sure you follow the simple rule. So this is how to use this particular strategy, and let's check it on 1 minute. 1 minute, still the same principle, so you can use it to scalp if you like. And here is it. We have a good trend here. So this is how to use this particular strategy. Just make sure you follow the simple rule. And now let me show you how to use the setting for this indicator. So the first indicator I'm going to show you the setting is this that indicator, good bargain indicator. It is free. Then the length is 89, softwood is 6, then deviation is 6.618. So you turn every other any other thing that you want here, you can turn it on or leave it the way it is. Then this is the color. This is where I change the color, Dodger blue and the red for this, the middle line here. And once you are done, just click OK. And this is PTL indicator. The other line I do not need it, that's why I turn it to none. And the last value here, 4 and 5, yellow and white. That's why we have yellow here, yellow ball and the white ball. And the input is slow length is 13, slow pip displays is 0.0, then fast length is 3, and the fast pip displays is 0.0. This you can change it also, but it's okay. Like this is how I use it. But if you want to play around the indicator, you are welcome to do so, but just know what you are doing. And the last indicator is a ashes scalper from one of my guy on Telegram group. So this is how I use this particular indicator. So on this indicator, what you are going to do is to select only one time frame. This is 4 hours, so every other time frame I do not need it. So I will be using the Ikinashi candle. If it turns red, if the Ikinashi candle turns red, I'm going to have the arrow. If it is red, if it is blue, I'm going to have the buy arrow, the blue. For sell, I'm going to have the red arrow. So just use this setting and click OK. And that is all about this setting. It is simple to use and anybody can use it. So I'm a profit rider using this simple strategy. You can add to these indicators. You can use it as a standalone or add it to your strategy that you are used to already. So this is how to use it. And till I come your way again, do enjoy your weekend and bye for now.